Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the DEWALT DCG460X2-QW Cordless Angle Grinder, your ultimate tool for heavy-duty tasks. With its powerful 54-volt Flexvolt system, this grinder delivers an impressive no-load speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute. Safety is a priority, featuring anti-kickbacks, an electronic brake, and a safety switch, keeping you protected while you work. Weighing just 4.7 kilograms, it's designed for comfort during those long jobs. Plus, it comes with two XR Flexvolt 1854 Volt 9 amp-hour batteries, quick release guards for cutting and grinding, and a handy carrying case. Get ready to tackle any project with the DEWALT Cordless Angle Grinder.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.